bagong milenyo at bago na rin ang mukha ng ABS-CBN. Chris?
After 50 years, ABS-CBN will be sporting a new logo. The same excellent network, the same team that brings Filipino families together, will greet the new millennium with a new look.
A new look and a new attitude that's out of the box.
Out of the box? Malalaman natin yan mula sa chairman of the board ng ABS-CBN, Eugenio Lopez III.
As we venture forth into the new millennium, ABS-CBN seeks to transform itself while remaining true to its mission. A vertical line representing a transmitter tower signifies our core business of broadcasting. 3 rings stand for the network's presence in the lives of Filipinos, here, there, and everywhere. A crystal plane denotes ABS-CBN's dynamic spirit. Below it, the network's call letters merge and graphically underscore our mission of being in the service of the Filipino, wherever he may be. From broadcasting pioneer to a total entertainment and information company, ABS-CBN has gone, so to speak, out of the box, all the while embodying the visions and ideals of our founder, the late Eugenio Lopez Jr. ABS-CBN takes on a new look, starting today and onward, while remaining true to our reason for being, in the service of the Filipino.
Mga kapamilya natin sa Pilipinas, narito ang kasaysayan ng ABS-CBN sa loob ng 50 taon. Isasalaysay sa pamamagitan ng bagong ABS-CBN Millennium Theme na likha ni Ginoong Ryan Cayabyab. Bagong mukha, bagong musika at patuloy na serbisyo sa Pilipino ng bagong milenyo. Yan ang ABS-CBN. Magbabalik po kami.